Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're examining a critical replacement part for Zebra QLN220 and QLN320 mobile printers. The PRTA 12101 dock board DC board, part number Z1020350-01. This board is vital for your printer's power and data management. Without it, your printer is non-functional. An important consideration for buyers is the item's condition. You might receive either an original refurbished or a compatible new unit sent randomly. The seller clearly states, "If you mind this random allocation, please do not order." This transparency is key for making an informed purchase decision. Crucially, meticulous verification is paramount. Before ordering, you must carefully check the item's appearance, size, and color, comparing it precisely with your original part. The model number, such as Zebra QLN220 or QLN320, is for reference only. Compatibility hinges on a visual match to your existing component and an identical part number. If the replacement doesn't look exactly like your original, or if the part number isn't the same, it will not fit or function correctly, irrespective of the listed model. This DC board operates at 110 V, and the package contains one piece. For those who depend on their Zebra mobile printers, a faulty DC board can halt operations. This replacement offers a highly cost-effective solution compared to buying a new printer. It can revive essential equipment, ensuring continued productivity for tasks like label printing or inventory management. By carefully adhering to the warnings regarding condition and fitment, buyers can successfully restore their Zebra QLN series mobile printer to full functionality, making an informed choice to keep their vital tools running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.